Hello YouTube, back with another TV reviews for you. And today I will be reviewing Titans Return Hardhead. So, Hardhead does include, like all Titans Return figures, a little collector card. Before I look into the collector card or the figure, let's check out your Ultimate Guide to Vintage Transformers Action Figures book. Now, to find the page. This book does show the G1 self in it. Ah, right there. The original, and then that's his original alternate mode. His function was ground assault. His motto was, "It's either my way or no way." And then his strength 10, intelligence 6, speed 5, endurance 9, rank 5, courage 10, firepower 8, skill 9. And then now, let's look at his collector card here. See what the variation between tech specs are. Titans Return, his artwork on the front, Hardhead. On the back, you get your tech specs. It does vary a bit to make it higher, which I love, people. Let's keep it going, people. Now let's look at the actual figure itself. This figure was my first Titans Return figure. And I think for me, it's incredible. It's incredible. This is a deluxe class figure, so no triple changing. But hey, that's okay when you're with me. So, now, it does include this nice green gun with lots of mold detail. No paint, obviously, for Ezra. It does have this big shoulder cannon. You can remove it, but I don't like to remove it. It's very difficult to get back on. So, there's more about the cannon vehicle with the alternate mode, so gotta check out that. He does come with this little dude here named Fearos. Fearos was originally named Duros for the original toy back when the Nebulons whatnot. But these guys are the Titan Masters. So he just folds up and pops on, and there you have a complete robot mode, and yeah. So, there's a lot of articulation in this figure. There's one minor hem snaps. Lots of paint. Little stickers there. They're actually stickers, which I like. And that's a sticker down there. Paint on this crotch area here. Paint on the head. Turret doesn't really have any paint. There's no real paint on the arms. And then you get paint here, paint there. I think Hasbro could have did it a little better with the paint. I think they could have done better with the paint. Now, articulation. These go full 360 all the way around like that. And you got about that far hip, shoulder here. And then it has a cut right before the elbow. Then it has elbow. It has a little inner wrist. Goes out and in. And then it does have a wrist swivel, which is nice. Nothing at the waist, so you cannot spin it. And so you can put up the thigh like that. You can do a full splits You want to pose him like that. And you can cut, have a little thigh cut there, have a knee, and then you have little feet. So that's the articulation. Now to transform him, you take off the head. It's all Titans Return figures. You pop in the little hands parts. I should say, swivel them in there like that. Now, what you want to do is you want to click those together. Make sure you hear a click, so that means that they've tabbed in. Then you want to flip in the feet. This one's a little loose, but more about that in the alternate mode. Now you want to bring this all the way back, like that. Now what you want to do is you want to raise these forward, bring them up forward. Now, what you want to do is you want to take that like that, bring that up like that. Make sure they click in. Now what you want to do is you want to flip that up, flip this back part up here. Then you want to bring this forward. Now what you want to do is you want to take this entire piece here and bring it up. Make sure that they tab all in like that. Then you bring up this crotch piece, and then you tab in the arms and make sure that they lock into place, and you're done with your ultimate form here. Pretty nice. Top view, bottom view, back view, other side view, front view, and back to the view that we were at. This turret can be raised that far up. It's got some nice treads. It's got a little wheel here, and large wheel here. So now the tank. Now, as I said, that we're going to be a little bit more on the tank. And here you get little Furos or Duros, and you just set him there. You set him there. Like that, so he's manning the big tank. Or he's manning the big gun. You can store all his accessories, but the appropriate way to put Doomshot is you open this up, put Furos right in there and shut it back up. There you go. There you have him manning the tank. Whee! Whee! So, again, this is Titans Return Hardhead with Furos/Duros. Hope you like this review and talk to you later.